we have 60% people who still expect that there would be a positive growth. Now, this definitely, is translating into what even the IMF studies also says. And definitely, the way the opportunities also are arising, that there is going to be a positive growth for the textile industry as well. If we really look into all across industries as well, there are some industries which are hardest hit. And fortunately, textile is not amongst them. So if we really talk about tourism, travel, hotel industry, they are the hardest hit. And when the availability of funds also is considered by the institutions, there is going to be a shift from those industries which are hardest hit to the industries which are not so hard hit. And therefore, the allocation of funding to these industries are going to be on the higher side. So there's an additional opportunity arising for industries which are not hardest hit. And that's where this industry also has to score over. How that has to be done is something we have to find out the solution. And where does the solution lie? The solution lies in, how quickly we can come back to the normalcy. Now, therein, each entity has to assess their present status. Now, what their financial position as on date is. We keep hearing about, companies not having even sufficient funds for making payment of wages to the workers. Now, every company prior to the lockdown had a different situation. Now, somebody had sufficient reserves available with them. They could manage to have current situation, come back to normalcy. Probably they can come back to the normalcy in next 15 to 20 days. Then there would be who were really, starving for cash. For them, it may take another extra 30 days. But everybody has to come back to normalcy, and how that would be arising is something which needs to be worked out. People and companies would be needing additional cash flows. There's no doubt about this fact. Government also has recognized it. A lot of funds, the instructions to the banks have been given to release funds. Now, how to ensure that, the due share of ours in that is received by us, and we are on the growth path, is a determinant factor by us only. Each business house has to assess their own performance as to what their past performance has been. And that's where we have to find out. But the very first important fact is identifying in the current scenario what our actual requirement has been. In this next 1 year, how much cash flow would be required. It was beginning of the financial year. In fact, prior to beginning of the financial year, it happened. I presume everybody would have worked out some funding requirement, but that has to undergo a change. Sufficient time during the lockdown was there. 40 days was sufficient enough to assess the revised requirement of funding. And I believe, most of us would have already assessed that. So, if somebody was in need of some X amount, that would have gone up by 1 to 1.2x or 1.3x. But identification of that amount is very important if we are intending to approach any lender, because they would be interested in knowing as to what we have done during this period. Is there any change in the plan of the business, and what additional cost would be there, or what additional cash flows would be there. So identification of that is something which is very important. And that is, if somebody has not done it, that is something which should be on a piece of paper, which is a beginning point for restarting the business, approaching to the institution if at all additional funding is required, and what are the parameters, something we can discuss now subsequently. But this is the first step which anyone has to do, and what the basis of that is.